Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Sheets import into Smartsheet, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Smartsheet. Log into your Smartsheet account using your credentials. Once logged in, create a new sheet or open an existing sheet where you wish to import data. Next, locate the File menu at the top left corner of your screen. Click on Import from the drop-down options. Select Import from Google Sheets to initiate the process. You will see a prompt requesting authorization to access your Google Sheets. Click Allow to grant Smartsheet the necessary permissions. Once authorized, a list of your Google Sheets will appear. Scroll through the list to find the specific Google Sheet you want to import. Click on the desired Google Sheet to select it. Review the data preview to ensure it's the correct sheet. Choose the specific sheet within the Google Sheets file you want to import if it contains multiple tabs. After selecting the appropriate sheet, click on the Import button. Smartsheet will start the import process and may take a moment. Once the import is complete, your data will populate in the Smartsheet interface. Review the imported data for accuracy and formatting. Make any necessary adjustments to fit your project needs. Finally, save the changes to ensure that your data is securely stored in Smartsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.